Hey you guys, it is me. Traveler's Notebook layout today. I am going to do our feet, me and my honey bunnies. We did a little makeshift spa day at home one day, and so I'm gonna document that. And okay, so I went through my citrus twist kits, the ones I kind of combined them. This is not including last month's kit. I haven't even touched that, which is what, May's kit. This does not include that. This includes all the previous kits that I've had. Trying to kind of get rid of some of that stuff. Use it. Not get rid of it, excuse me, use it. So here we are. I am going to layer a little here and there. Just refilled it, so anyway, I have a really long title. I've been noticing people doing longer titles, and I cut this label in half just so you guys can see that. And I really like the longer labels, longer titles. It's really tickled my fancy. So I'm gonna put my pictures on this left side over here, excuse me. And do some clusters on this side to help use up some of my stash. But I've already planned out a little bit here and there. And I had a mild heart attack earlier because, not literally, that was figuratively. I apologize for anybody who's ever had a heart attack. That's horrible. Has to feel horrible anyway. I couldn't find my traveler's notebook. And I thought to myself, was that noise I heard that fell into the trash a while back that I never investigated and just threw the trash away? No bueno. But I found it, as you can see. This is the same one we've been working in for a while now. I did leave my washi tape out. Not sure because of this one right here. I'm not sure if I want to incorporate a lot of that just yet. Now, back to the title. I have a humongous title. Spa Time with My Forever Love. And this just goes back to the whole using up some of my alphas. So, let's see what we can do here. And I apologize if you guys don't like crooked titles, or if you just can't deal. I know some people are like OCD about that. You're going to go ahead and just turn this video off to keep yourself sane, because this will be crooked. As you can tell, I am strictly doing this by eyeball. And I do it to keep my sanity. I just don't want to feel like it needs to be perfect, because seldom in life has that ever worked out for me. This is not working out too bad here, guys. What do you think? Alright, that, I'm not gonna lie, I just did that on a whim. I hope that works out for you guys. Sorry, I'm not meaning to move you. Let's pull it up to your face. What'd you think? Now, if that ain't a long title, I don't know what is. I've really seen how they're adding these little words in here, though, that you can really make your title for days. Okay. I'm wondering wondering if washi tape would be good down here. I'm gonna hold. Okay, so I've got clusters over here, and I kind of played this off of Heba from My Little Journal. Shout out to her. I know she'll never watch my videos because she's like totally the awesomest, and she's like pretty high up. She's like to me, she's kind of like Adele from Inky Quill. If you haven't watched her videos, which I highly doubt you haven't, you should really go check both of them out. They are awesome. I love both of them. I just sit there and wait to see the notifications for them. Nonetheless, Heba, I'm probably saying her name wrong too. She is also from Georgia, where I am from. Or she lives down here. I highly doubt that's where she's from, but she lives down here. And we've joked about the pollen count that has been nuts this year. But she, on a recent layout, did some clusters on the side over here, and she ended up taking it down to 2, I believe. But see, I did that crooked. I don't know. Life just doesn't. I don't know. And then I'm so like hurry up and get it done that I can't correct myself. But these are all pieces that have just come in the kits. Now this one I'm going to just kind of lay there because I want to see my placement for this one. Can you guys? Oh gosh, sorry. Should I don't know if I zoom you in. Might be a little more clear for you guys. Sorry about that. Alright. Yeah, that's pretty good placement there. I'm going to straighten you. Just a teeny wink. Now this is the free digital ones. They don't come out, because of the printer I used, it didn't come out very sharp. So nonetheless, I printed them out on label paper so that they basically become a sticker. Oh, go back here. To keep me from having to worry about adding adhesive, which is great in the grand scheme of things. The only downfall is that you then have to take that label backing off at some point, and I tend to struggle. I love these little speech bubbles that they have. I'm gonna have it. No, I'm gonna have it all the way in the middle there. I don't know if I can get my wet glue to work. I lost my little pearl on the end of it, and I need to get some new one. I need to get a new stick thing for it. I'm running low. I need to go ahead and hit made it up so I can get some more. I really wanted to use this taking chances because my husband, for one, he is not happy that I'm putting his feet on YouTube. And he was like, "You're gonna put my feet on YouTube?" I was like, yeah, it's happening. And so that was not a happy tick for me in the relationship, but here we are. It's just between me and you guys, right? You guys don't mind. I was gonna totally put this under here. There we go. And that's why I used Sweet Surrender, because I don't know why he does not like his toes, but I'm like, look, I've seen worse. Trust me. If you've ever gone to have your toes done, you've probably seen some bad ones, but I have the longest toes in America, so I'm not here to talk about anybody. Alright, and then I keep forgetting about these. Like, I peruse past them every day, or every time I do my journaling. So, I mean, my notebooks. I should use Because I Said So. Oh, that would be too cute. Everybody's gonna think I'm the meanest wife in the world. It's okay. They wouldn't be wrong. Crooked? Yep, that's about right. Simplicity. It's not a bad one. And we'll use shocker. Put it. There we go. Okay. I thought I'd bring in these green ones because it plays off this green over here. Oh, you know what? I got this left over. This green is going to be okay if I put it on his leg. See how bright I am? That's real life right there. That's not even like, that's not no joke. I need to stamp something there. I'll put you guys on pause and go grab my stamps. See what I can find. I'm using all these up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, that's going to be not pleasing to the eye. It will have to work though. Because boom, one sticker sheet down. Whoop whoop. That blends way too much. Bring it back. Right there. That's okay because I got more over here. Let me go grab my stamps. Be right back. Alright, so caught on film is totally going in that little spot. And I'm going to use my Studio Calico new Color Theory Power Suit Gray. And there's nothing behind this, so wish me luck. Oh yes, perfection. Perfect? Let's not say perfect. Oops. I love that power suit though. That color was awesome. Glad I caught that. Shouldn't have put the stamp set back in there without realizing where it was supposed to be. Okay. Pop those back to the side over there. Perfect. Ooh, that worked out good. Okay, now let's pop some pink in here because I love pink. Yes, and we'll do a little pink one over here. And a big one. Big one? No, medium one over here. There we go. Alright guys, no washi tape, that's cool. I think that's fine. What do you guys think? Used up a lot of my extra little ephemera pieces, which, you know, I mean, after a while they just start accumulating. For me anyway. I don't know about you guys, but that is not the name of the game here. You guys know, I've been saying this in the last couple videos. It is to use up my stuff. And look at me getting my alphas used. You go, girl. Feeling pretty productive today. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great Memorial Day. Prayers to the families who have lost people. Just prayers out to you guys. I pray you have a peaceful day and all good memories for your loved ones. And have a good rest of y'all's day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!